informed about hot air balloons. Hot air balloon is the oldest human-carrying flight technology. They were invented in 1783 by the Montgolfier brothers of France.
Hot air balloons operate thanks to the principles of thermodynamics, a branch of physics that deals with heat and energy and how they interact. So yes, let's dive in and show you guys how thermodynamics works with hot air balloons.
The materials needed are Japanese paper, foil, scissors, glue, a lighter or mattress, plastic straw, copper wire, alcohol, and cotton. First, we need to cut the paper into the shapes that will form the hot air balloon. We will use a template to ensure the shapes are the same. Now that we have the pieces, let's glue them together side by side to make our 3D hot air balloon. Now we'll glue the modified Japanese paper on top of the foil and straw. The paper will act as our balloon, while the foil and cotton with fire represents the heat source used in a real hot air balloon.
And while they're doing that, here's a fun fact for you guys. Did you know the first hot air balloon passengers in 1783 were not humans, but were a sheep, a duck, and a rooster? Yes, these creatures help scientists to understand how altitude might affect living creatures. And yes, they all landed safely.
Here's another fun fact about hot air balloon. Hot air balloon don't have steering wheels. Pilots rely on wind current to decide their current direction, making it an adventure flight.
And finally, we will light the cotton. Watch closely as the cotton hits the air inside the paper.
Notice how the paper reacts as the fire hits the air inside. The air molecule will start to expand, resulting in lifting up the paper slightly. This demonstrates the key principle behind how hot air balloons work.
When the air inside the paper is heated, its molecules spread out and move faster, making the air less dense. The less dense, warmer air rises because it's pushed up by the cooler, denser air surrounding it. This is called buoyancy, a principle that allows hot air balloons to lift off.
In a real hot air balloon, the burner heats the air inside the balloon. This hot air rises, lifting the balloon off the ground. Pilots can control the altitude by heating the air more to go up or letting it cool to descend.
And that's how hot air balloons work. By creating heat inside the balloon, we create lift, allowing us to defy gravity and explore the sky.
And that's it guys. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed learning about hot air balloons and the science that makes them soar.
In a real hot air balloon, the burner heats the air inside the balloon. This hot air rises, lifting the balloon off the ground. Pilots can control the altitude by heating the air more to go up or letting it cool to descend.